Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 13. The setup can measure comparatively the rate of A. Evaporation from leaves on a single shoot under different experimental conditions. B. Salt uptake by shoots from different plants. C. Transpiration of a single shoot of a plant under different experimental conditions. D. Water uptake by roots of different plants. So the setup here in question is the setup seen in question 12. So for the setup, refer to question 12 and you see an accurate diagram of the setup. Now for this case, we are asked, what does the setup comparatively measure? What does it comparatively measure? Now, as we rightly established, that setup is used to measure transpiration pool or force of transpiration, and we rightly established that transpiration refers to the evaporation of water from the surface of leaves of plants. So the setup is used to measure the force of transpiration. Now, another thing to note that force of transpiration can be measured under various or different conditions. So you can measure under different conditions of the same plant using that setup, the transpiration pool under different conditions. And when you measure that using that setup, you can make your inference from the experiment. So option C says transpiration of a single shoot of a plant under different experimental conditions, and as we have said, you can use that setup to measure the transpiration pool under varying conditions. So option C is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.